Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve if x plus y is 5, xy is 50, then what is the value of x and y? So let's start with today's video solution. So I am considered this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So from equation number 1, we can say that if x plus y is 5, then y will be 5 minus x. And from equation number 2, if xy equal 50, if I put the value of this equation number, I am considered as third. So value of y as 5 minus x. So x times 5 minus x equal 50. So it becomes 5x minus x square equal 50. Or we can write it as negative x square, positive 5x equal 50. Now, this becomes negative x square positive 5x negative 50 equals 0. So x square minus 5x plus 50 equals 0. Now I am using quadratic formula, that is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x equal b is coefficient of x square, a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is the constant. So put all the values. So it becomes minus 5 plus minus under root minus 5 square minus 4 times 1 times 50 by 2 times 1. X equal 5 plus minus under root 5 square is 25 minus 4 times 5, 50 is 200 by 2. So x equal 5 plus minus under root negative 175 by 2. So x equal 5 plus minus under root 25 times 7 minus 1 times minus 1 by 2. So x equal 5 plus minus under root 25. We can write under root 7 under root minus 1 by 2, because this under root minus 1 becomes 25 times 7. If I'll do, so 25 square root is 5. So it becomes 5 root 7 and this becomes iota by 2. So the x1 and x2 is this. Now we have to calculate the value of y. So it's 5 minus 5 plus minus 5 root 7 iota by 2. So y equal 5 minus 5 minus plus 5 root 7 iota by 2. So let's write the values of x and y. So if x1 is 5 plus 5 root 7 iota by 2, then y1 is 5 minus 5 root 7 iota by 2. Similarly, x2 is 5 minus 5 root 7 iota by 2. Then y2 is 5 plus 5 root 7 iota by 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.